Hey guys, it's Beth Allen here. It has been 8 years since I began Hip Chicks, and in that time I have educated hundreds and hundreds of women and men locally in person in the Philadelphia area. But I keep hearing from people that they would like me to make my classes online so I can reach people around the country. And after 2.2 million views on YouTube, I realized that people are looking for solutions. So I have created the most comprehensive course that is out there in DIY that will educate homeowners, give them support, and mentor them along the journey of homeownership. My program is called MST, the Money, Stress, and Time-Saving DIY Program. With 23 years experience as a homeowner, I have used my own DIY skills to create a home that I love. And I want you to have the power to do the same. In that time, I have mastered power tools, designing a room on a budget. I have learned how to do carpentry, I have fixed appliances, I have flipped my own bathroom, my kitchen, and I even flipped my mom's house. My whole goal with the MST program is to empower you to truly save money, stress, and time. Money because you're not going to pay contractors for the small repairs. Stress because when things break, you're going to be confident and know how to take care of them without worry. And time because you're not going to wait around for someone to come and rescue you, because you will be your own hero and you will know how to do it. The MST program is like nothing else out there because it's not just a series of video classes, but it is support and mentoring. It is 10 live video sessions where we'll dive deep into the topics, and then it includes a private Facebook group where you can post your photos and ask questions of me, and I will guide you on a daily basis on how to get them started and how to get them finished. And we'll also include a bi-weekly phone chat, a group conference call with the other students so we can learn from one another and dive a little deeper together into the projects you have going on. The MST program begins on June 23rd, so between now and then, the class will be offered at a 50% off rate. So if you think you are ready to embark on a journey of homeownership that will truly save you money, stress, and time, make sure you click the link above, and I hope to see you in class.